Wait, was that held up? There was way too much grip on the front. Oh, I didn't have my seatbelt on.
I think the thing that got me was the mid reclutch. Oh, that's funny.
If you're going to turn a manual car off, I'll show you with this one easy trick. Car off.
Pretty good.
It's a stop start button.
Oh my gosh. I guess I wasn't like I'm
12.
I know. I'm.
See, it must be the extra weight in the back. I'll let me show you.
I've definitely seen front wheel drive skids, but
Good pivot point.
yeah, that's pretty good.
Took a whole bunch of bottles and stuff down to the tip the other day. This car smelled like shit. Yeah, car smell good.
Oh,
Send help.
that was funny, but
For sale.
10 and a half.
EOI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know what I got.
10 and a half. I've definitely seen some front wheel drive skids, but I don't know. I guess I haven't seen a front wheel drive skid for so long.
Yeah, but you haven't seen one with a bloke with a permed mullet.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
Or big wheels in the back.
Or with
I
no bad
don't know.
smoke.
I don't just. I guess in here, we've no one's ever done.
Oh, we've only tested it one way.
Not that I'm aware of that I have, but
because I've only done left. Need to go right.
I guess it's more. I don't know. I feel like the risk factor of potentially one of the neighbours' buildings. It'll be a weird conversation about, hey man, we've got a new. Yeah, look, definitely. Oh no. Alright, so if you ever got a Demio and you're doing donuts, only do it the other way.
And don't take that limit before you clutch kick.
Look.
Oh fuck.
It'll probably be a bit warm.
I'm not touching it. What's this?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know what I got.
3.5.
Didn't we do CV shafts once recently?
No, I broke the one in the
You know what we
life.
should do? We should get the Honda Life and do a... Oh, that's right. We blew the
I
CV.
broke that one as well.
Yeah, the Honda Life. It hasn't been in action because we blew the CV shaft in that too. With Jesse. Well, I wouldn't say he blew it. I reckon it fell apart.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
I take full responsibility. Why is it ticking? Are you telling me I should put oil in it more than once every 2 years? Anyway, I know what I got.
Oh, well, that definitely escalated very quickly.
Insurance, one of a kind.
My favourite thing is Dell took off. We were doing a test to get ready for the test. And we've broken it. Box. Sheet. Falcon. So we've got oh, are you still part of basic, or what are you? Are you in your own thing?
Huh?
Is this a basic fab Falcon?
Is this on camera?
Yeah.
Yes.
It is. Bread.
No, this is my fab.
Are you still part of Dean Basic?
Part of Happy Phase.
Yeah.
Happy phase.
Happy phase. Forever gaze.
It's tough read.
Anyway, we're doing a manual.
We're doing a 7M swap.
7M. Dell's like, yeah, we're doing a 7M swap. Got the twin, big power. This is actually rare. This one has survived the test of time. It is a factory colour. A1 what?
Computer tour control.
95, mate.
We got the new AU House stickers.
You know it's legit when it's a bloke wearing high vis.
Yeah, fucking hell. We got some
Falcon Oath, mate.
we got some red sparkly
Oh.
little doodles.
Oh.
Little veiny doodles. Yeah, what else we got? We got we got the rose dick. We got the meth pipe dick.
I don't even want
We got the dribbly chose. We got more rose dicks. Little rose dicks, big rose dicks. Oh,
I don't even. How?
I've run out of cheese dicks. So I had ones where there was like blocks of cheese jammed in the foreskin.
Jesus Christ.
I like the meth dick.
The meth dick's up there.
The cheese dicks were my favourite, but I'm obviously out of stock. Unfortunately.
This video, seriously, I was like, I'm just gonna film the boys. We'll just muck around a little bit. We'll do a manual conversion. We've managed to find some penis stickers and blow a CV shaft at this point in time. Oh, is it still 1, 2, 3? I know what I got.
Yeah, I know what I got.
Help up. All right, let's see you tomorrow. Ooh. Trouble finding the hole.
That's it, that's the ticket. That's
Been
the
there,
money.
bruv. Been there. Flue wheel in. A brand I do not promote. Neighbours are just revving. The new bearing. Anti-seize. Check.
Oh yeah, new one's in.
Oh yeah, medical one's done. Yeah. So you gotta just do this, and then the wires are done, and it all works. And you gotta do this with the cable. And you gotta just. That's not. Benny. Big E series guy over here. Who put that in? I just pulled that off to be an idiot. That's not meant to cut. In saying that was hanging off. I mean, they are broken. The tabs are broken just here on the top, but. So obviously, after a manual swap, you need to do a test skid. Obviously. Got our trusty pad. Test dip in. I mean, I'm probably not in a safe spot, but. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this week. Got a little rowdy at the start, not gonna lie. Turns out a Demio CV shaft is a lot harder to find than we thought. So that's been problematic. So Jesse's kind of left without the car at the moment. We've patched it together, but it's kind of left without it. And the EF goes good, is fine. And the manual conversion, it went alright. So we survived. So I hope you guys enjoyed the test. We didn't get anything thrown out at this time, but the test worked out good. Benny got a little carried away, but it's fine. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch us next week. Peace out. See you soon. Enjoy the holidays.